What is indicated by H in the figure? A. What is indicated by B in the figure? A. An adult testes bears compartments called testicular lobules. A. 150. B. 250. C. 350. D. Each testicular lobule contains seminiferous tubule. A. Male germ cells are known as A. Sperms. Seminiferous tubules contain cells for providing nutrition to sperm cells. The cells which secrete androgens are A. Spermatozoa. B. Select the correct anatomical sequence. A. Seminiferous. The enlarged end of penis is known as A. Glans. If P stands for seminal vesicles, Q stands for bulbourethral glands, R stands for prostate gland, then which of the following is true? Seminal plasma is rich in which sugar? A. Sucrose. B. Glucose. C. Fructose. D. Maltose. Which is the primary female sex organ? A.